Click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen to go to the Stripe settings. On this page, scroll down a bit and click on the payments option over here. Then click on payment methods just right here. On this window, you may scroll down and choose any payment method that you want to add, so your customer may have another option for their payment method. For example, I want to add a Cash App as my brand new payment method. So on the Cash App option, hover your mouse over it and click on the enable button at the right side of the screen. And there you go, you just add Cash App as your new payment method. Or if you don't find the enable button, you may click on the three dots button over here and choose the view details option. Then hit the enable button at the new tab that just appeared. And voila, you are good to go. You may always do this to enable or adding a new payment method for your Stripe customers. Also, pay attention to the additional information at every payment method that you use, whether the specific payment method can be used to pay a recurring payment or not, support the refund, or even support the dispute. Additionally, there is also a minimum and a maximum amount of money that can be used on that payment method. And last but not least, some of the payment methods have a quote-unquote region lock, so it might not appear in your country even after you add that payment method like we just did before. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.